Depressive thoughts are pessimistic, demoralizing, and motivation sapping thoughts. For example, thoughts such as, I am helpless, my life is hopeless, I will never get better, will promote from depression. Some low, some lack of energy during a day, it may not be depression. For an example, if you fight with your friend or your partner or your mate, and then you all of a sudden go into a low mood, you may say, I'm depressed, but how is it different from anger? Let's say you are driving on the highway and there is a flat tire. Now, you may say, I was helpless, I was feeling low, and you may say, I was depressed, but then how is it different from frustration? You may lose a promotion, fail an exam, you may not be selected for a team, for a sports that you want to play into, and then you may feel low for the entire day or maybe 2 days or 3 days. Yes, that is low, but how is it different from disappointment? These are common experiences, common examples of some low feelings in life, but all this is not depression. If we experience any such moods or low times in life, it is better we go and check, meet a professional, a psychologist or a psychiatrist, and get their opinion. There's no harm in just going and finding out. Only thing is, if such low mood extends for 2 weeks and more, and then none of the life events or changes is helping you to lift your mood back and come back and enjoy day-to-day pleasures, then it's a matter of concern. Then please go see a professional, a psychologist or a psychiatrist. Now let's quickly look at what are the signs and symptoms of depression. One most prominent is experience of low or sad mood for the day, extending more than 2 weeks and not being able to come out of it, come what may. A second symptom or sign could be inability to focus on any task at hand. Constant rumination of past events in life, feeling discouraged, hopeless or worthless, crying spells or tearfulness most of the time, criticizing or blaming self or others for some past events, difficulty in making decisions, loss of interest in friends and family, loss of motivation, sleep disturbance are some common symptoms from which may indicate about depression. I had catastrophized my father's demise and thought that nothing will get better and I will not be able to overcome this at all. But over a period, I started getting on with my career, went on, got jobs and started somehow moving out of it. Today when I think about it, I think had I looked at this incident more realistically and said to myself, it's a sad thing, it's a sad event which has happened in my life, although it's not a catastrophe, it's not so terrible and I can still overcome this. Had I accepted life and death as realities of life and looked forward to thinking that although it is sad, it is not such a terrible event and I can still overcome this, and I need to look at what can I do to help myself and my family. I think I would have been able to overcome depression faster. That's exactly what is required. A shift in the thoughts. We can work on depression. If you have liked the video and want to know more about mental health, please go and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.